Hi friends, this is Megha Nagmanibai, studying BTech first year Computer Science and Engineering from Institute Jawaharlal Nehru Technical University College of Engineering. Today we are discuss Quicksort in data structure. So we discuss Quicksort topic wise. First we discuss definition, algorithm, logic, brief example, source code, time complexity, application. So first to discuss definition of the Quicksort. Quicksort is an efficient sorting algorithm. Quicksort is a divided and conjugate algorithm. It works by selecting a pivot element from the array and partitioning the other element into two subparts according to whether they are less than or greater than pivot. Quicksort is also called as partition exchange sort. So we discuss some example. First we take some integer 10, 80, 30, 90, 40, 50, 70. So 70 is arrow partition, and again 10, 30, 40, 50. These elements 50 around partition. 90, 80, 80 is around partition. 10, 30, 40, 40 around partition. 10, 30, 30 around partition. So we discuss algorithm. How Quicksort works. A pivot element is chosen from the array. We can choose any element from the array as the pivot element. So we take some arrays, then we take one element is pivot. Here we have taken rightmost. It means the last element of the array as the pivot element. Select a pivot element. We select one pivot element. The element smaller than the pivot element are put on the left, and the element greater than the pivot element are put on the right. So we remember that one. We take one pivot element, that greater than element put on right and less than element put left side. So put all smaller element on the left and greater on the right of the pivot element. The above arrangement is achieved the following steps. The pointer is fixed at the point element. The element is compared with the element being from the first index. If the element greater than the pivot element is reached, a second pointer is set for that element. Now the pivot element is compared with the other element, a third pointer. If an element smaller than pivot element is reached, the small element is swapped with the greater element found early. The process goes on until the second last element is reached finally. The pivot element is swapped with the second pointer. Swap pivot element with the second pointer. Now the left and right subpart of these pivot elements are taken for further processing in the step below. Pivot elements are again chosen for the left and the right subparts separately. Within these subparts, the pivot elements are placed at their right position. Then step 2 is repeat. Select pivot element of in each of and put at a correct place using recursion. The subparts are again divided into smaller subparts until each subpart is a formula of a single element. At this point, the array is already sorted. So Quicksort uses recursion for sorting the subparts. On the basics of divided and conjugate approach, Quicksort algorithm can be explained. First, explain divided. The array is divided into subparts taking pivot as partition point. The elements smaller than pivot are placed at the left, the pivot, and the element greater than the pivot are placed to the right. Next, explain conjugate. The left and the right subparts are again partitioned by selecting pivot element for them. This can be achieved by recursively processing the subpart into algorithm. Next, combine. These steps do not play a significant role in the Quicksort. The array is already sorted at the end of the conjugate step. You can understand the working of Quicksort within the help of illustration below. We illustrate below to understand quicksort. Next, logic of quicksort. How can you use logic in quicksort? We discuss. First, you take void quicksort. Int list, take some value. We take int first, int last. We read some int value. Open the link into pivot. We take some variables I, j, temp. You take if first is less than last. Open the bracket. Pivot equal to first, I equal to first, j equal to last. Take while loop. Y is less than j. Again open the loop. While list I is less than or equal to least pivot and I is less than last. We take I increment. Will list I, j and least pivot. We take j increment. Again use if I is less than j. Again open the loop. Temp equal to least I equal to least j equal to temp. We close that loop and temp equal to least pivot equal to least j equal to temp. Quicksort list, take some value list first j equal to -1. Quicksort list j plus 1 last. We close that loop. So we discuss logic of quicksort. So you discuss brief example. We take some integers 54, 26, 93, 17, 77, 31, 44, 55, 20. So 54 will be the first. So pivot value. And left mark and right mark will coverage on the split point. So 26 is the left mark, 20 is right mark. 26 is less than 54, move to right. 93 is greater than 54, stop. So 93 is left mark, 20 is right mark. Now right mark 20 is less than 54. So we stop that. Next exchange the 20 and 93. So the value of 20 and 93 exchange. So you put in place of 93 20, 93 in place of 20. Again now continue moving left mark and right mark. So 77 is greater than 54. So you stop. 44 is less than 55. So exchange. So in place of 77 44. So in place of 44 77. 77 is greater than 54. Stop. 31 is less than 54. Right mark is less than left mark. Split the point, found exchange 54 and 31. So we exchange 54 and 31. So 54 is in place. Left 54 is greater. You put quicksort left half, quicksort right half. So greater than 54 one side, less than 54 one side. We take another example, one graph model, that 38, 27, 43, 3, 9, 82, 10. We divide 38, 27, 43, 3. We divide this and arrange pivot to, they are in quicksort. So these all are used to source code. We to create one program for quicksort. Hash include is less than is stdio dot. Hash include conio dot s. We use void quicksort. Int take some value. Next read some values. Void main, open the loop. Int list, we read some value, size and arrays one variable. First print that n value, enter the size of the list. Next scan that size. Next again print that integer value. We use for loop. I equal to 0, I less than size, then I plus plus is increment. Again open the loop, scan that list I, that loop is closed. Quicksort list 0, size -1. Print that list after sorting. For I equal to 0, I less than size I plus plus. Printf percentage list get, close that value. Again void quicksort int list 10, int first, int last. Open that loop. Int pivot, take some values I say temp. If first is less than last, open the loop, pivot equal to first. So these are the coding for quicksort. We see output. How can you take? First we give the input, enter the size of the list. We take 8 element, enter 8 integers. We enter the 8 integers. They are 4, 7, 2, 9, 1, 3, 6, 8. List after sorting is. So they are arranging with sorting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again you take some more examples. Enter the size of the list. We take 12 integers. They are 5, 9, 0, 1, 4, 3, 9, 2, 6, 8, 2, 7. List after sorting is 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. Again third example. Enter the size of the list 6. They are 3, 9, 1, 3, 5, 4. List after sorting is 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, 9. So complexity of quicksort. In complexity, worst case is it occur when pivot element picked is either the greater than or smaller element. This condition leads to the case in which the pivot element lies in an extreme end of the sorting array. One sub-array is always empty and another sub-array contains n-1 element. Thus, quicksort is called only this sub-array. However, the quicksort algorithm has better perform for cached pivots. Best case complexity. It occurs when pivot element is always the middle element or near to the middle element. Take average case complexity. It occurs when the above condition do not occur. Space complexity. The space complexity for quicksort is. So this is the complexity of quicksort. So our daily life you can use quicksort. So we can see quicksort applications. How can you use our life in quicksort? So quicksort is used everywhere where a stable sort is not needed. Okay, variants of quicksort are used to separate the k smallest or largest elements. Quicksort divided and conjugate enable the use of parallelization. Quicksort is a cache-friendly sorting algorithm as it has good locality of reference when used for arrays. Quicksort is taily cursive and hence all tail call optimization can be done. Quicksort is an in-place sorting that does not require any extra storage. So today we are discussed quicksort. So thank you friends.